Dear students and viewers, welcome to our online class. Today's lesson is graphic description. There are 10 numbers on it. You can get easily according to the question. This is the question of graphic description, and I draw a graph on the board. Numbers of internet users in Bangladesh. As you know, internet are increasing day by day, and this is the chart of using internet. You can see on the blackboard it is increased year by year. It is described from 2013 to 2017. You can see on the blackboard, on the picture, there is 8% in 2013 users internet. 2013 8%. This is very low rate of using internet. And after that, you can see in 2014 it was increased into 15% in 2014. The next you can see on the blackboard, 20% in 2015. It was increased. Dear student, I can make it very easy because English is an international language. So we have to learn English for our better career, better performance. So we never avoid English, and it's essential for our everyday life. So we must answer these questions in English. In 2016, you can see it was 28%. 2016 it was 28%, and finally it was increased 40% in 2017. You can answer this question from the question. If you have word stop, or you have a quality of speaking or realizing, then you can give answer easily. And you can describe according to your sequence. There are 5 years. The number of internet users. And this is the graph, and you can describe only description. You can give the description of this graph, not to need to draw the graph in your question. And you never waste your time in the exam hall by drawing this question, but you can spend your time by describing this graph. Understand? Dear students and viewers, English is an international language. You must emphasize the English for your golden career, for building your golden career. So, never be waste your time in the vacation or duration of COVID-19. And you must be careful about your health, and you must wear your mask whenever you staying abroad. Finally, this is the graphic description of online class. And finally, never be afraid of English. If you afraid of English, then you never learn English fluently. And you know there are 4 kinds of skills in English: reading, writing, speaking, realizing. And in the graphic description, you can describe from beginning to end. There are 4 years you can describe sequentially. And in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. And you must write at least 10 sentences or 12 sentences when you describe the graph, and you can get a good marks, good 10 marks. You can get 10 marks in the exam, and that is very good for you to score a good marks. Welcome everybody to join us, and I think all of you are interested in online class. The government declared on online class in every school. Our Lohagara Shahabid Pilot High School is very keen to arrange an online class, and not only our student but also other student or other institution can follow us, can follow our online class. Understand? And this is the end of the online class. You can answer, I repeat again, you can answer by looking this graphic chart, and you can answer easily without any hesitation. Thanks a lot. Thanks everybody. Khuda Hafiz.